It's a really cool building.
Here we are at the brand new, beautiful DU Community Commons. So much better than I ever imagined. I mean, even just like walking into this space and the ceilings go up and all the light is coming in, it's so open and welcoming.
We're already seeing like so many people gathering here, and there's so many places for people to just congregate and do so safely, especially during the COVID pandemic.
Yesterday I was in the building and I was seeing people eating and talking and exchanging in a way that we didn't see in the fall quarter.
It's really nice that it's a really big open field, so you can see all the way across, and you can look for your friends and kind of get an idea of everything right as you walk in.
So behind me there's all 9 options for dining.
It smells amazing in here.
It's really cool to see them like prep the food in front of you. It really feels like you know what you're eating.
Also allows for you to build relationships with the Sodexo workers. And that just kind of becomes part of your daily routine, part of your Hallmark experience at DU.
Student needs are definitely prioritized here, and you can tell. It's towards the middle of the campus.
And it's nice because you can walk through the bridge, kind of the connection between one side of campus and the other.
There's a versatile space that any student is allowed to use.
We're here on the 3rd floor. There's tons of office suites up here, so many resources for students. It's all back here in one place, which is super awesome.
The staff are not off on some far corner of the campus that's really difficult to get to. They're here where we need them. We can even like see them like through the glass wall.
Hey!
I really like this area on the 4th floor because you have like that gorgeous view of the Rocky Mountains.
Wow.
It's pretty.
It's so cool to be able to see, downtown Denver over there, the Rocky Mountains behind us. A lot of people come to DU because of the proximity to the mountains and the proximity to Denver, and here we are just looking at all of it. It's pretty cool.
I think this space, we've talked a lot about its utility and the 4th story, the student org space, the cultural center, the Office of Student Engagement, etc. But what we haven't touched on is the fact that this space as a building is also intersecting all of that and showing that these are not separate entities. They're one. This is what makes the institution a university.
With COVID, I really missed walking through campus and seeing people, but as I walk into the community commons, I see so many kids and it actually feels like a real college campus.
So excited to see how it integrates us all and really creates a stronger, healthier DU.
I really do look forward to this building becoming the heart of the campus and really feeling the pulse of the DU community. Over the next year and over the next 20 years, this space is going to become totally transformational in the success of our campus.